Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Big shout out to Modi, Piri. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video, we're going to be taking out my stretched as heck hair, and we're going to be trying out this thing that's been sort of trending around YouTube for natural hair, where you sort of define your curls and you use a few products to help define your curls, so it sort of looks like a wash and go, but a lot better and with more curl definition. It is long overdue for a wash. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. A trim and just some love and some care. So the products that I'll be using is the Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Eco Styler Professional Gel, the olive oil one. Also my Denman brush and my other favorite brush. And I'm going to start out first by spritzing my ends. My ends are quite dry and they need a bit of a trim, so I don't really want to break any of my hair while I'm parting it. So I'm just making sure that I spritz it so I'm working on damp hair. Then I'm going to section out the hair, spritz it with some warm water, and then I'm going to add in my curl enhancing smoothie and start applying that to my hair. This works best when your hair is already detangled. I had to do some detangling on my hair while I was doing this, with which it was wet anyway, so it worked out quite well. So this is sort of like what it ends up looking like after you've done that. So from where it was there to now. Then after I've added in my curl enhancer, I'm going to go in with the gel and just run the gel through the hair as well, making sure that all the hair is coated and so all the curls stay in place. The gel helps to just make sure that the definition stays after you've gone and dried the hair. So after I've done that, I'm going to go in on the other section as well and begin doing the other section of my hair. For those of you who've been subscribed for a while, you know that this is the loosest section of my hair. The middle of my hair is the tightest section, and then the top of my hair, it's like in the middle of those two. A little tip I realized a little while on was just to make sure that the water is warm. So once it starts getting cold, just refill your bottle up with some warmer water. The warm water actually helps for the process to activate quicker, for your hair to start coiling back up quicker than it does with cold hair. So just make sure that you use warm water, not hot water, warm water. So I actually ended up not even really using my combs during this process because I found that my hair was very tangled in some sections, so I really just wanted to make sure that I wasn't doing any damage. So rather than going and raking through my hair with a comb, I decided that I'm going to use my fingers so I can have more control. So this is what it all looks like after it was done. Then I went back in with some gel and just went through all the sections, making sure every section is coated well and looks really good. After I had done that, I went through with my Denman brush and then I began brushing out the sections I had already detangled, so this wasn't too hard. After that, I went and got my blow dryer. I rarely ever use this thing, to the point where I didn't even realize that the diffuser head doesn't match the hair dryer. We must have changed it at some point. So this is an old diffuser head for a different hair dryer, so I'm just making do with what's available. I know, the ghetto. I mean, it works. It did its job, so I'm not too phased about it. So I made sure that I just diffused the hair, making sure that I just helped it dry a little bit. So this is going to take a little while longer to dry than what your hair would normally take if it was just water alone, because it does have products on it. So this is what my hair looks like after it has been diffused a little bit, and then also after it had air dried for about an hour and a half. So as you can see, the curls are still there, they are popping, they are living their best life. I've actually never seen my hair look like this, so it was quite a new experience for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go tie up my hair into a little puff. It looks so small, it's so cute. And I'm going to let my sideburns hang low. Just making sure that I style them to perfection. And this is the final look. I love a big fluffy afro, but I think I'm going to do this from time to time. You can try a lot of different styles out that look better with a curlier hair texture than they do with, you know, fluffy, puffy sort of vibe. So I really am excited to try this out more often and see what type of hairstyles I can do, especially with summer coming up. This is the final look. She cute, ain't she? Make sure to comment down below your thoughts if you like it and if you're going to try it out, and like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.